Now we see the variation in acceleration due to gravity g with altitude. Altitude means height. So here we have to see what is the effect of height on the acceleration due to gravity. It means that if the height increases from the surface of earth, then what happened in case of the acceleration due to gravity. So first we consider this is earth, this is the center of earth where whole mass of the body is concentrated. Means let m be the mass of earth, r be the radius of earth, and this is surface of earth. So on the surface of earth, suppose acceleration due to gravity is g, means g and gh be the acceleration due to gravity on surface and at height h above the earth surface. Means up to the surface of earth, this is a distance r, and suppose any body is at height h from the earth surface in this way. So let at this point the acceleration due to gravity is gh. Now using the relation between acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant, means first on earth surface g is equal to gm upon r square. This is equation number 1. Now at height h, the total distance becomes r plus h, this, and therefore at height h, that is altitude h, gh is equal to gm upon r plus h whole square. Here g and m, capital G and capital M are constant because it is universal gravitation constant and mass of earth, and therefore both are constant. This is equation number 2. Now equation 2 by 1, therefore we can write gh upon g is equal to gm upon r plus h whole square into r square upon gm. Now this gm get cancelled, and therefore gh can be written as g into r square upon r plus h whole square. Now this can be again written as gh is equal to g into r square upon, now here r square taking common out, means this can be written as r in bracket 1 plus h upon r and whole square. So this can be written as g into r square upon r square in bracket 1 plus h upon r whole square. Now this r square get cancelled, and this is gh. Therefore this gh can be written as g into, now here 1 plus h upon r whole square, it is in denominator, and if we write it in numerator, then it becomes 1 plus h upon r raised to the power minus 2. Now using binomial theorem and as h upon r is very less than 1, since h is very greater than r, that is altitude is very large as compared to the radius of earth, and therefore h by r is very less than 1. Therefore 1 plus h upon r, this can be written as 1 minus twice h upon r, means minus 2, is equal to 1 minus twice h upon r. Therefore gh is equal to g into 1 minus twice h upon r. This is the effect of acceleration due to gravity. This is the effect of altitude. Means here from this equation we observe that gh is less than g. It means that as the altitude from the surface of earth increases, then its acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing. Means the acceleration due to gravity is maximum on the surface of earth. So we can write the formulas to determine the acceleration due to gravity at different altitude. If h is not much more as compared to the r, then this can be written as gh upon g is equal to r square upon r plus h whole square. It means that gh is equal to g into r square upon r plus h whole square. This is first formula. Second is, if h is very greater than r, then gh upon g is equal to 1 minus twice h upon r, or gh can be written as g into 1 minus twice h upon r. Using these formulas, we can determine the acceleration to gravity at any altitude from the surface of any planet.